Hello and welcome again to number 4 in our series of Speaking English for Coaching English Facebook page. Today we're going to talk about where we come from, which country we come from, where our origins are from. So, without further ado, I would like you to listen to the first example.
Where do you come from?
I come from the United Kingdom. That was the most common example. Now let's have another very frequently used example.
Where are you from?
I'm from the UK. And after this one, let's talk about our nationality, where we have our passport from.
What's your nationality?
I'm British. And this time, about where we actually live.
Where do you live?
I live in Thailand. And now we're going to look at where our roots are from, which means where our parents came from or our grandparents came from.
What are your roots?
My family comes from the UK and France.
Where do you originate from?
My mother was British and my father was French. So I'm half British, half French. Don't forget to follow us on Coaching English Facebook page, like our videos, and message us with any information you would like. And we also have online English courses.